Welcome! Today we're diving into how to save a file using Adobe Acrobat. It's straightforward and quick. First, open your PDF document in Adobe Acrobat. Ensure it's exactly how you want it. To save, navigate to the File menu at the top left. Click on Save As. Choose your desired location on your computer to store the document. Rename the file if needed, then click Save. You're done! Now your document is saved. Repeat these steps anytime you need. Happy editing! To recap, open your PDF, go to File, choose Save As, select your location, and click Save. Easy! Always remember to save frequently to avoid losing your work. Thank you for joining us. Subscribe for more quick tips on software usage. Next time, we'll cover even more features of Adobe Acrobat that will boost your productivity.